In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set a statement descriptor on Stripe. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your account settings. After the Settings page opens, find the Account Settings section. In that area, click Business to open your business-related settings. Once you are there, select the Business Details tab so you can view and manage the information connected to your Stripe account. Next, scroll down the page until you reach the Public Details section. This section contains information that can appear to customers in connection with your business profile and charges. When you find it, click Edit next to Public Details to make changes. After the editable fields appear, locate the Statement Descriptor field. This is where you can enter the business name or label that you want customers to see on their bank or card statements when a payment is processed through Stripe. Carefully type in your preferred statement descriptor. If your account also shows a shortened statement descriptor field, update that as well. This shorter version may be used in cases where there is limited space on a statement, so it is important to make sure it still clearly represents your business name. Once you have entered the information, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check for spelling, spacing, and accuracy. It is important that the statement descriptor matches your business identity clearly, since customers may rely on it to recognize charges from your company. When you are satisfied with the details you entered, click Save to apply the changes. Stripe will then update your public business details with the new statement descriptor information. After saving, your updated descriptor will be associated with future charges according to your account settings and Stripe's processing rules. If you need to make changes again later, you can return to the same business details area and edit the public details whenever necessary. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.